So hello guys, this is Avi. So this is the next part of the previous video. In this video we will discuss about the different types of trackers. So I am in the Exodus websites. Wanna show you how list of the trackers. There are totally 407 known trackers till now which Exodus has checked. I am sorted by the number of applications which uses the trackers, how much applications uses how much trackers. So you can see the most used tracker is Firebase Analytics, then Google Ads Mob, then Crashlytics, then Google and Analytics. Google has at the top here also. Every field Google at the top. Then Facebook, Tag Manager, Ads, Unity 3D Ads, mostly in the apps made by the Unities. In nooby, Applo, in Moat, Appsflyer, etc. etc. There are many. So in this video I will be not talking about the Google Firebase Analytics, Crashlytics and Analytics, because Analytics, Crashlytics and Firebase Analytics, these three I will be not talking about because Muhammad sir and the Manu sir already has talked about it in their tutorials. You can watch their tutorials for these three. So I will be taking an app, this app, PicsArt color painting drawing sketch. Let's first check its trackers, how many trackers it has. Color I written, color here, color. So this is the video, this is the app. 3 trackers, 12 permissions. So let's check what are those trackers. Appsflyer, which I have shown you list in the most used trackers in the apps. Let me show you again. Go to here, trackers, then sort by number of applications. Now you can see here the Appsflyer. 6% of apps use Appsflyer. So let's come back. 3 trackers, Appsflyer, Crashlytics, Firebase Analytics. I already told I will be not talking about Firebase Analytics and Crashlytics because Muhammad sir and Manu sir told in their tutorials, and those are best for removing these, not removing but disabling, because if you remove any lines from the Crashlytics or Firebase Analytics Java codes inside the Java codes, not from the other codes, the app will crash for surely. So let's move ahead. Let's come back. Let me remove. So this is the app. Move inside it. Total 18.45 MB. No protection. Firebase Analytics. Taking space. Let's remove first it. Let's go Appsflyer. Here it's websites. You can go there to implement Appsflyer Tracker into your app through this. Documentation. What it's do. The work of this tracker is this: fraud prevention, malware protection, identity attribution, minutes checks your identities, targeted advertisements. This is the most common. Mostly all trackers use their trackers for advertising purpose. Tracks which user install the apps, track successful retargeting, generate reports based on user behavior. It's very bad, not good. It states that it not sell data to third party, but who believes? So let's go. Here it's code detection rule. Let's go inside it. Appsflyer. Yeah, we find out. So here you can see this is advertising ID object, advertising. This is for that formatting checking. This is for event checking. This is deep link manager. This is for logger, sensor, live course. Firebase messaging also inputted inside it. Now it's our IDs, objects, etc. etc. OED, deep link. So let's move ahead. ProGuard rules are applied here also. Taking advertising ID hours, limiting ad tracking, set manual. So what to do? Let's check. Google advertising ID client tracking. Ad info tracking. GPS ad info checking in our locations also taking. Enable GPS fallback. Our GPS is also in target. Very bad. Sending error logs. Okay. So let's check some more. Info log. Here is the info log working. Let's make it 0, power of 0x0. Oh, why sending error logs? Okay. Info logs are disabled. Appsflyer 6.1.0. Okay. Log level, current time is getting time. Nothing here. Oh, one thing. Is log disabled completely? Oh, something good. Disable logs. Yes, I want to disable the logs. So the main things are in this class, Appsflyer properties. Taking our customer ID. Mainly this is the customer ID which is put by Android into our mobiles. If you want to see your customer ID, just uninstall the ExpressVPN if you have already, and if not, then install it and you will see that there are many recommendations to improve your privacy. In one recommendation you will see it's telling you to disable the customer ID, ad ID. If you click on that, you will go into a setting where your customer ID is visible. You can click on that to disable that. Oh, very bad. Collecting our IMEI ID, collecting fingerprint, collecting Android ID. Disabling proxy, enabling GPS. Let's check. Set custom data, set reference, set user mails. Yeah. We disabled it already. Android details. Getting package manager, package info. This is all apps do to check permission available. This is nothing. Appsflyer lab. Nothing. So now the thing is we have to do is Google Play services available, get to bed. Let's check its usage. Total 3 usages. Appsflyer Libcore. Getting our advertising ID. It's actually, as you can say, GAID. You can tell GAID standing for Get Android ID of the user. So disable it. Not disabling, I'm removing because extra lines usage space. Increase size of the apps. Advertiser's ID. Advertiser ID. See, as we have enabled the limited tracking, then the Amazon ad tracking is also limited. Sharing filter, no need here. Ad tracking also limited here. Here is URL of the SDK. Disable it. Just leave it as it is. Let's write some things. Too many changes. Let's check if the app is working or not by changing these things. Video is going to be very large because I am taking everything step by step, not going fastly. Let's check. Yes, it's open. Yes, working properly. Good. Yes. So this is premium. Okay. Let's remove this also. This is very easy. Go to the assets. In the templates you will see this things, which is app. You can see here florals, fashion, animals, journaling, figures, same things. In the pet, these are the things stored, which are pet things. In the feed, these are the things. Just add the pet things. Assets, templates, animals, free. Just add these here and delete this. Same thing for all. And this is also got it without any problems. So these things also done. Move ahead. Appsflyer. Log disabled. So here returning the object with v0, register p0, v0, p0, taking value from v0. You can see the limited tracking is put inside every Java file or say smali inside other smileys to check if the limited tracking is enabled or not. So we are going to enable it so that everywhere by this single thing our right tracking gets disabled. Advertising ID, why I have put a 0 here, because it's getting the advertising ID. We don't want to give our advertising ID, so we have told not to get use. Okay, this is a string, actually make it boolean. Okay, it's giving error. I have done something errors here. Oh, it's a string class. It's a string class, actually. A string class here. I have not seen boolean. So also it's not necessary to disable here because it's taking advertising ID of the advertiser, not ours. So it's so done. Let's see where it's uses. So many uses. Advertising ID. See, you can see it's taking advertising ID of advertisers. Amazon's advertising ID. Here also limited tracking is enabled, so we have enabled it. So if it is not disabled, then no problem. Here ad tracking is already enabled, limiting of ad tracking. So everything related to the Appsflyer is done. Here taking the links. Getting one link URL, seeing us ads, authorizing. So now how it will take ads. Here no URL found. It will say can't get one link data, no connection error message. So this is for this video. In this video we will talk about another trackers because it's already being very long. So I'm going to making app size small. Nothing to remove more, all are related to apps. From 18 MB it goes to 17 MB. From resources here too you can remove if you find any useless things, you can remove that. Kotlin, Unit. Unit is also a kind of tracker, but we will discuss about in our later videos. I want to show you where I have find that. Okay, thank you for this video. We will talk about another trackers in the next video. Thank you very much. Let's check. We have further many changes, so check if the app is working or not. Yeah, it's working. They also the method which I have told you can do for removing this. So this video is only just for trackers. I have not shown how to make premium exit. Okay, bye. Thank you.